Hello, are you concerned about your rain gutters getting full of leaves at this time of year? My name's Eli Hall and I'm with AMS Landscaping. I'm here on top of a roof right now showing you an example of how this time of year we just get a lot of leaves falling off the trees, and of course they're filling up your gutters. And of course, if you don't clean that out, it clogs up your gutters and then it starts to affect your roof. So that's a service that we offer here at AMS Landscaping. I'll show you here some examples of heavy leaves here on our gutters here. Here are some of these gutters here on my personal residence that have leaves all up inside them that we can go ahead and take care of for you if you give us a call. Once again, my name's Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping. If you want a free estimate on getting your gutters clean, please reach out to us on our website at azlawns.com. Also, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube page and follow us on social media at AMS Landscaping. Make it a great day.